Hello, everyone. My name's Joelle, and I'm so glad that you've decided to join me today for this 5-minute sun salutation practice. So if you only have a couple of minutes in the morning, or if you're just looking for a little energy boost throughout your day, I hope that you'll enjoy this flow. And let's begin by coming to the front of our yoga mats with the feet hip-width apart. Bring the hands to prayer in front of the chest and close the eyes. Start to take some deep breaths in and out through the nose. Just noticing how you feel as we arrive for this practice. And then open the eyes, and on your next inhale, sweep the arms up towards the sky, growing tall. Exhale, folding forwards, bend the knees. Inhaling, straightening up halfway. And exhale, folding forwards once more. Inhaling, growing tall, sweep the arms back up. And exhale them back in front of the chest, half sun salutation. Inhale, sweep the arms back up as we keep going, exhaling to fold forward, head is heavy. Inhaling halfway, fingertips on the mat. And exhale, this time step the feet back and find your plank pose. Inhaling to hold here, and exhale to lower the knees, and then the chest. Inhaling into a baby cobra. Pull the shoulders back and exhale, lower the forehead back to the mat. Inhale to press the hips to the heels, tuck the toes under, and exhale, find downward facing dog. Inhale here, and exhale to step forwards. Inhaling up halfway, and exhale to fold back down. Inhaling, grow tall as you reach the arms to the sky, and exhale back to the chest. Beautiful. For Sun Salute B, let's bring the feet closer together now. And we'll inhale to find chair pose, bending the knees, gaze to the thumbs. Exhaling, folding forwards, let everything go. Inhale up halfway, long spine, and exhale back to plank, holding here. Inhale here, and exhale, lower all the way down. Inhale, opening up through the heart as you reach into your back bend. And exhale directly back into downward facing dog this time. Inhale, the right leg sweeps to the sky. And exhale to step it forward. Inhaling, coming up into a high lunge. And exhale, sink an inch or two lower. Inhale here. And exhale to replant the hands, find plank, find your chaturanga. Inhaling, upward facing dog. And exhaling, downward facing dog. Lengthen the spine. Other side. Inhale the left leg up. And exhale to step it forwards. Inhale, reach the arms tall. Exhale, sink deeper. Inhale here. And exhale, plant the hands, stepping to plank, lowering to chaturanga. Inhale, opening up through the body, upward facing dog. And exhaling, coming back to downward facing dog. 3 deep breaths here. Inhaling in. And exhale, let it out through the mouth. Inhaling 2. And exhale, let something go. And last one, deep inhale. And exhale. And then inhaling here. Exhale to step the feet forwards. Inhale up halfway. And exhale, let the head hang heavy. Inhaling back to chair pose, reach the arms long. And exhale to straighten the legs and bring the hands back to prayer in front of the chest. And closing the eyes here once more. Notice how your breath is flowing, how your body is feeling, whether anything has changed. And then open the eyes, let the gaze become clear once more, and thank yourself for turning up today. Let me know if you enjoyed this quick practice, and I hope to see you soon. Namaste.